I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide that you can use to become a very successful social media influencer today. I'm also going to teach you how to make steady income every month as a social media influencer. But first, I'm going to explain to you what a social media influencer is all about. A social media influencer is a user of social media who has established credibility in a specific industry. Social media influencers have access to a large audience and can share information to persuade others through their authenticity and reach. So this means that brands and businesses have come to depend on social media influencers to promote and expose their products and services on the internet. So this means that businesses and companies are ready to pay social media influencers a lot of money to help them promote their products. So you need to hurry up right now and join this business because this business is a very lucrative business. So please follow this step-by-step guide to become a very successful social media influencer. Step 1. Choose a niche industry to create content for your social media page. In order for you to become a social media influencer, you need to choose a niche industry to create content on your social media page. So this means that for you to become a successful social media influencer, you have to choose a niche industry. You also need to choose an interesting topic or niche to create content about. You also need to entertain your followers with great content on your social media page. Examples of topics that you need to consider for your social media page are fashion, comedy, food, lifestyle, travel, media, business, and finance. So these niche industries I just mentioned are necessary for you to become a successful social media influencer. So choose one of these niche topic and perfect on it. Step 2. Choose a social media platform for your influencer business. You need to choose one social media platforms and concentrate on building your social media page on that platform. So choose one particular social media platform and create a page and start growing that page gradually by creating content for that page. So what I'm trying to tell you is that you should concentrate on one social media platform. Do not open social media pages on every platform. Just concentrate on one and grow it exponentially. Examples of social media platforms that you can use as an influencer are Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. So choose one of these social media platforms I just mentioned now and concentrate on that particular platform. Step 3. Start creating and posting content for your social media page. After creating your social media page, you need to now start creating content for your page. Make sure that you create and post highly entertaining and intriguing content for your social media followers. You need to create entertaining content so that you can get your followers hooked or intrigued on your page. Creating great content can also help you get many followers for your social media page. Step 4. Promote your social media page. Once you start creating content for your social media page, then you need to now start growing your page gradually. You can pay for social media advertisement to boost the visibility and followers of your social media page. This means that you can pay for Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Twitter ads, and TikTok ads to help boost your page and get many followers. So choose one platform and pay for ads. Choose one social media platform and pay for ads. It can be Facebook or Instagram. Just pick one particular social media platform and run ads. You can also use email marketing strategies to boost your social media page. You can also use search engine optimization strategies to improve the visibility of your social media page. Step 5. Monetize your social media page. After growing your social media page as an influencer, you now need to start making money from your social media page. So these are the best way to monetize and make money from your social media page. Number 1, brand sponsorship and endorsement. This is the most important strategy. You can charge brands and businesses a fee to promote their products and services on your social media page. Number 2, coaching and consulting. You can charge your followers for your consultational services. This means that you can charge your fans and followers if they require consultation from you. So you can charge your followers a fee for consultation. Number 3, you can sell your own merch or products to your fans and followers. This means that you can create your own merch and sell them to your fans or social media followers. Number 4, affiliate marketing. You can promote your affiliate products on your social media page and make money once your followers purchase your affiliate products. So register for affiliate programs and post your affiliate links on your social media page. Number 5, selling your ebooks and video courses. You can write books and create video courses on topics that you are very knowledgeable about and sell them to your followers on your social media page. This means that you can create an ebook, you can create your own personal book and sell it to your fans and followers on social media. Number 6, donations from your followers. You can ask for donations and tips from your followers. You can ask your followers to help fund your next project by donating money to you on your social media page. So ask your fans for donations to help you fund your influencer business. Your fans will be dedicated to invest and donate to you on your social media page once you ask them. So these are the steps that I just provided for you to become a very successful social media influencer. So try to follow these steps that I just listed for you. Thank you. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification button so that you can get all the latest information that you need to make money online, because I'm releasing videos every day that can help you make money online easily as we are making. So make sure I subscribe to this channel so that you can learn more. Also remember to ask me any questions. So ask me any questions on the comment section. Ask me any questions on the comment section so that I can answer them immediately. I promise to answer every question that you ask me on the comment section immediately. Remember to like and share this video. Share this video so that your friends and families can also learn how to easily make money online. Also remember to watch other videos that I've created on this channel so that you can learn different strategies and different ways that you can easily make money online. Thanks for your cooperation. Goodbye. See you next time.